If your work is predictable and digital, AI is already learning how to do it. And the tools doing it, they're already live. This video breaks down those exact tools being used in real-world tasks right now and how you can use them before they replace you. By the end of this video, you'll know the AI tools already replacing job tasks. You'll know which roles are the most at risk and how to stay valuable without chasing every trend. So this isn't about job titles, it's about tasks. So if your day is mostly routine, structured, repeatable work, AI is already learning how to do it, and companies are learning how to use it too. So I got a friend of mine who freelances a few e-com brands, and every week he wrote promo emails. Now, one day he tested out Jasper. It gave him like 3 solid email drafts in under a minute. So now his clients expect faster turnaround without increasing the budget. They don't know he's using AI, but they notice the speed. And when things move faster, expectations shift. Let's break down the actual tools making this happen. And these tools that are live right now and already cutting into the workload. So ChatGPT can handle internal emails, onboarding docs, meeting summaries, spreadsheet formulas, even policy drafts. It's not creative. It's fast, and that's what makes it effective. Now, someone I know runs onboarding for a mid-sized tech company. They tested ChatGPT to clean up their welcome emails. The AI version was clearer, more helpful, and the manager asked to make it a new standard. Now, they weren't fired, but the personal touch, it just wasn't required anymore. It's not just admin either. Let's talk support, because if your job is answering the same questions over and over, AI already has the answers. Intercom's AI handles over 70% of support requests automatically while keeping customer satisfaction high. So if your job is just following a script, AI can already do that without sick days or any training time. Now let's take a look at marketing, where most clients care about fast turnaround more than flawless writing. Jasper can generate ad copy, blog outlines, product descriptions, and even email campaigns. It's not necessarily groundbreaking, but it's fast and it's clean. Often that's enough. Now, your average copywriter might need hours to test 5 variations. Jasper can do it under a minute. Most businesses don't care if it's handcrafted, they just care if it works. It's not just writers feeling the shift either. Developers, especially the junior ones, are seeing it too. Copilot suggests full functions. It explains code, fills in common patterns as you type. Now, Microsoft reports that in some teams, Copilot contributes to up to 40% of the code being written, but that's mostly for like repetitive logic, setup files, test scripts, things that follow structure. If your job is mostly filling in standard pieces, Copilot already does it faster without second guessing. Copilot even has something that can review your code for you. AI is rapidly changing. This even includes like logo work and branding, but we're mostly talking about everyday visuals that clients need fast, like social posts, thumbnails, flyers, things like that. Canva's magic design tools let anyone build out visuals with templates, layout suggestions, and even auto resizing. Firefly generates graphics from prompts, and it's especially useful inside Photoshop or Illustrator, where you can keep editing like normal. A real estate agent I work with used to pay $50 a flyer. Now, after trying Canva AI, they knocked out 5 in under 30 minutes. They're not amazing, but they work. And the designer didn't get dropped because they were bad. They got replaced because the process got easier. So now we're gonna go over how to stay ahead. The first thing is just, you need to use the tools instead of trying to compete with them. You don't need to know every new AI tool, but if you're still doing everything manually, you're moving a lot slower than the people who are using these tools, and speed matters now. The next thing is you want to build skills that AI can't fake. AI doesn't have judgment. It can't manage teams, pitch ideas, or build trust. So if your value comes from leadership, decision-making, or strategy, you're safe for now. The next thing is you want to build proof, right? Not just a resume. So you don't want to just post your final results. You want to share how you got there, especially if you're using AI, right? It shows that you understand how to use the tools and not just press buttons. That's the main thing, right? People trust what they can see, not what you say you do. So in today's AI climate, if I were starting over, I just pick one skill that scales, something that solves real problems, and I use AI to go faster without losing the quality. I document it, not some super polished highlight reel. I just have real work, share it consistently, and that's how you build proof. That's how you attract better work without chasing it. Here's the takeaway. AI isn't coming. It's already here. The tools are real, and they're replacing tasks, not just roles. The people who stay valuable are the ones who adapt faster than the system expects. So if you're trying to stay ahead without burning out, this channel's for you. Hit subscribe and stay sharp.